Hi guys! Have a nice day everyone. Guys, look at this. This is new. New guys. Wooden cutter of the cheese. Guys, this is wooden cutter of the cheese. Guys, so amazing guys. This is high quality guys. Look. With handle. Very nice. Wooden cutter of the cheese. Guys, so amazing guys. This is new. And the other one guys, look. This is new also. Manual wooden grinder machine guys. Look. So nice. Very cute. Amazing. Guys, this is grinder machine. New also guys. Wooden. Guys, kung mag-grind kami ng mga black paper guys, dito inilagay sa loob guys. Dito nilagay. Ganyan guys. Tapos, ito guys, imikos-mikos mo lang siya guys. Tapos mag-grind na siya guys. So amazing guys. Ito guys ay ginagamit namin mag-grind ng black paper. Dito naman nilagay. Tapos imikos-mikos mo lang guys. So amazing guys. I love it. At ito naman ay cheese cutter. Wooden cheese cutter. These are new guys. High quality. And guys, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Ito guys, black paper guys. Dito yan namin ginalagay mag-grind guys. Ito. Ang black paper. Ang ganda. Thank you for watching guys. Love you all. Bago ito na mga binili ni Amo na mga machine. Cutter and grinder machine. Thank you for watching. Love you all guys.